The Pokémon Concierge celebration event in Pokémon Go is coming to an end soon, with just a few days left until September 14th at 8 p.m. local time. The highlight of this event is Psyduck wearing a swim ring, which can even appear in its shiny form if you're lucky. Along the way you'll also find themed wild encounters, raids with popular Pokémon like Dragonite and Luxray, and research tasks that reward you with more Psyduck sightings and even special backgrounds. There are also bonuses like double candy and a free avatar item, so it's definitely worth wrapping up before time runs out. If you haven't caught Swim Ring Psyduck yet, this is where MagFone Location Changer makes it much easier. Once you click the Pokémon Go logo, you can instantly teleport by entering GPS coordinates or by dropping a pin on the map. Jumping to areas near water will increase your chance of finding Psyduck. If you see a speed warning, don't panic, just avoid hopping long distances too frequently and you'll be fine. For a more natural experience, MagFone lets you plan routes with 2-spot or multi-spot mode, so your character walks automatically while you focus on catching Pokémon or completing research. This even helps during battles and raid challenges. And with the on-screen joystick, you can move freely in any direction and adjust your speed on the fly, which is perfect when you want precise control without leaving your spot.